The Special Projects Directorate of JCM Manila centered its program to benefit the civic society of the country, namely, Bayanihan Program focused on construction and innovation with a total beneficiaries of 5,940. JCM Manila built a library in an NPA-infested community and promote peace through education. Disaster Resiliency Program empowered communities for disaster preparedness and response to calamities in partnership with 40 civic agencies responsible for the entire Metro Manila. This year, we conducted the first Wilderness Search and Rescue Challenge. Indigenous Community Affairs centered on cultural preservation and enrichment of indigenous people. In Project LEAP, we showed the Aita kids that there is infinite possibilities if they dream big. 727 IPs benefited from this program this year. Kawal Ko Mahal Ko program, which focuses on creating stronger partnership with the AF and training its personnel in terms of financial literacy. Seal of Life focused on rehabilitation of Manila Bay. We created awareness of the problem through Zero Waste Symposium. We fabricated a smart boom catcher for ocean litter and recycled trash to school chairs. Over 1,600 kg of trash was removed from our ocean. Using the Active Citizen Framework through 1. Partnerships with government organizations and indigenous communities, and 2. Peace promulgation and high respect for belief, tradition, and culture, JCM Manila empowered others towards positive change.